Magandang araw! Welcome back po sa PTEP Business Coaching YouTube channel. Ako po si Elgin. Isa po akong CPA at BIR Tax Agent Practitioner. Nag-handle po ako ng mga LOA cases, SDT cases, mga NOD hearing, DOJ hearing na rin na related sa tax, yung mga tax assessment cases. Nag-handle po ako ng mga yan. Welcome back sa ating lecture. Again, I am Elgin. Ang pag-aaralan natin ay itong EOPT law o yung RA 11976. Ito siya. Ayan, no? Okay, next. Concessions for micro and small taxpayers. Yan. Ito daw ang pag sinabing concession, yung pinag-usapan, nagdiskusyon na ito yung para sa kanila, para dito sa mga taxpayers na to. So, sabi sa Section 45, ito. Section 45. Nandito yan banda. Ayan. Anyway, pinaste ko na. Nandito na siya. Palaki natin. Ayan. Ayan. Special concessions for certain taxpayers. The following concessions shall be made available to micro and small taxpayers. So, yung micro and small taxpayers, nandaan mo sila yung ang kanilang sales ay ito, na? Yung micro less than 3 million, tapos yung small ay 3 million to less than 20 million. So, 20 million and below, applicable sa kanila to, no? The income tax return or yung ITI required under this section, under Section 51 of the NIRC shall consist of a maximum of 2 pages in paper form or electronic form. So, ito yung pangarap. Pangarap pa naman to, no? Pang year 2024. So, wag na expect na sa April 15, 2 pages na kaagad yung inyong yung inyong ITR. Pang year 2023 yung ginagawa natin for April 15, 2024 na submission. So, this one, I will take effect sa, next year, pang 2024 na ITR submission. Okay, a reduced rate of 10% for civil penalties as provided under Section 248 of the NIRC. So, kapag small ka, at saka micro ka, merong reduced na rate of 10% sa civil penalties. Tapos, kapag 50% reduction on the interest imposed under Section 249. Tapos, a reduction fine of 500 pesos as penalty for failure to file certain information returns. Kasi doon sa sa dating law, 1,000. 'Di ba? Kada wala ka ma-file. Pero para sa micro and small, for 2024 and onwards, 500 yung sa kanila. So, kailangan, alam mo kung ikaw ay micro or small, 'di ba? Ma-audit ka niyan. Kung ikaw ay para sa 500 pesos, no? Then, sa letter E, a reduced compromise penalty rate of at least 50% for violations of sections 113 to 37 and 238. 113, ito kasi yung 113 to 37 and 238, yan yung pag-i-issue ng resibo. May violation ka kapag hindi ka nag-issue ng resibo. Yun. So, ang sinasabi nila dito, 50% daw nun. Ang violation mo. Yun. With that, I'd love to know what are your takeaways in this video. Please comment them below. If you have questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll try to answer them or feature them in my Q&A videos. Please like and share my YouTube videos and subscribe to PTEP Business Coaching YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos.